Hello everyone, my name is Nayan Jyoti Patowary. Professionally, I am a computer science engineer and a proud digital networker. So guys, first of all, thank you so much for the overwhelming response to my previous videos. I have received numerous messages on WhatsApp with your queries and I have tried my best to resolve them. So thank you for that. Now, from the thumbnail, you must have guessed what this video is about. Yes, you are right. Today, I will reveal how I can help you achieve 2cc. Guys, for the first time, I am going to disclose face to face how I assist my team in achieving 2cc. So let me explain what 2cc is. The company requires you to purchase products worth rupees 30,000 from their website in 2 consecutive months. So you can divide it in 2 consecutive months. This is like an assignment. So how does one manage to invest that 30,000 rupees? You end up with a lot of products and then you wonder how to share them. I understand. As engineers, we can't use all those products ourselves. Even I didn't and no one else does either. But the thing is, you use some, give some to your family, to your relatives, but there are still a lot of products left. The biggest question arises is what to do with all these products. So guys, let me tell you how I help. Anyone who joins our team, my customer base is already vast. There are many customers who regularly use Forever's fantastic products like honey, like aloe vera gel and Arctic Sea. Many in my team also have a good customer base. So when a new member joins our team, we take some of their 2cc's products and share them with our customers. This helps increase our customer retention and assist a new member in achieving their 2cc. This is how I help. My team and I support each other this way because this business is all about sharing and caring. We make sure no one feels pressured. If someone has a products that has been sitting for a while and they can't share them, they can reach out to us. We have a customer base, so we take the products and distribute them. This keeps both our team members and customers happy. So guys, if you love this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any queries, I have provided my WhatsApp number in the description box. You can message me there. I will definitely help you in achieving 2cc. Let's become successful together. Bye-bye.